DIYers, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking grass today, and we're going to talk about why you have little individual or very specific portions of your yard that have really thick, fresh green grass, while the rest of the yard doesn't. We're going to talk about that. Let's take a look.
We've made our way outside, and as you can see, if you look closely up front or close to us, you can see several areas of little circles, basically round, fresh, beautiful, thick green grass spots. And if we go way out, up the berm or hill toward the field, you see a lot more. And it is the middle of May. We have already mowed. And we even have some over here. And we do not have fertilizer sprayed, nor do we have an irrigation or sprinkler system throughout the yard. So the question is, why are all of those little spots there? And I will be honest, these only will be there right after winter, or very soon after winter, and they will go away as the season goes on, or spring turns to summer. Stepping out into the yard, and I have come to a very small but still very noticeable patch of circle grass. And again, much greener, much thicker, much taller, much healthier in a way, it seems, than the rest of the grass that again I just cut, and is not growing in the manner that these little patches are. And again, that's a small one, and they get larger and noticeable as the lawn gets closer to the field. And DIYers, long story short, what is causing that? Well, again, we have not fertilized, nor do we have an irrigation or sprinkler system. However, we've got a lot of deer. And honestly, it's very beautiful to sit inside, enjoy a cup of coffee, and see all of the deer, from moms to dads to babies. And as they come in and out and throughout our yard throughout the winter, well, they have potty breaks, as you see. And long story short, all of those spots are their potty breaks, and those spots have been very fertilized or over fertilized. Making our way up the berm and into the portion of the yard closest to the field, and as the deer basically come out of the field and out of the area where they live, way out there in the woods, and into this portion of the yard, again, this is in a way their prime area for potty breaks, and that's okay, that's normal, that's natural. Comparing the rest of the yard, obviously, spots out there, but not as many as we see in the portion of the yard closest, again, to the field. Coming down to a closer view, in DIYers, in most cases, you won't see anything inside near the grass that, again, is over fertilized and growing in a different manner. And maybe that's a good thing, right? However, again, an extremely noticeable difference in the thickness of the grass, the color tone of the grass, and honestly, the overall health of the grass compared to the grass around it. To the opposite side, and again, DIYers, that is why. DIYers, if you're still watching, we've made our way up to the flower bed, and down below in the comments and description will be links to fall maintenance on our plants, ranging from hostas, lilies, irises, knockout roses, peonies, hydrangeas, as well as pruning lilac bushes. Check this out. We are going to leave that. And also down below is a link on how to rescreen your windows, as well as a link to showing you what exactly occurred here. That will be video link number 7.